Hey, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can copy your story highlights link. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then in here, from your profile page, you will see your story highlights. So you will tap on your story highlights. Once you tap on it, tap on this three dots icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then in here, simply copy the link. As you can see, link copied. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can copy the link of your story highlights, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can copy the link of your story highlights on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.